In example 2, we're going to graph the equation y equals negative 3x plus 3 and identify what the x-intercept is. So first you find the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is your negative 3 and your y-intercept is 3. So when you go to graph it, you start at the 3. Your 0, 3 is what's going to cross the y, and then you just have to count. Your negative 3 is your slope, so you can go down 3 over 1, or you can go up 3 backwards 1 because it's negative. So use the slope to find another point and draw the line. So it's negative 3 over 1, so you can either go down 3 over 1 or up 3 backwards 1. So that's where your line will be. The plot, the point that is 1 unit right and 3 units down, draw a line through that. The line crosses the x-axis at 1, 0, so the x-intercept is 1 at 1, 0. So then you can see where the x-intercept is. And that's what they were asking you to find the x-intercept. So we wanted to go down, 3 down and over 1. If you think you understand this particular one, you may, oh no, I think I have example 3 also to do, sorry. We'll have one more example. The cost in dollars of taking a taxi, x miles is y equals 2.5x plus 2. It tells you to graph the equation and interpret what the y-intercept and the slope mean. So the very first thing is we're going to graph it. And so the dollars have to be going this way, and that means the miles go this way. So we should actually label our axes as well. So if the miles are going this way and the dollars are going this way, we find that we plug something in for x is 0 and we get 2, so that's why we have 2 there. And then you can go with the slope of 2.5, so I can go 2.5 is like 7 halves, right? So I go over 2 and up 5. So the slope is 2.5, so the cost per miles is $2.50. The y-intercept is 2, so there's an initial fee of $2 to take the taxi. So it means it costs $2 just to get the taxi, but every time it costs 2.5 per mile as well. So use that to graph it. So if you think you understand how to take this equation and graph it, and the example 2, you may click next to try some on your own.